One of the great features of this new restaurant is the fact that there's a bar that goes through from the backside of the interior bar to the outside, so people can enjoy this patio while also having drinks and getting served food. And then you can see as we come around here the patio that will have a lot of outdoor furniture on it. It looks smaller than it really is. There'll be quite a few seats out here, and then this is the view of the harbor where eventually boaters will be able to pull up. Here is the interior view of the front of the bar with the tile coming along, and then also these garage doors that open up and we'll be able to service the outside. Another cool thing is this like little shed roof with the corrugated above it with the pickup area, and then also some server station equipment is going in today. We've got a nice wood floor tile pattern. The installation is finished with that, and then this is wall covering that's been installed that's really durable and also a great feature. And this is the walk-up pickup counter for takeout orders. One thing we like to do is have exciting interiors also for the bathrooms, just because that's another space that most every customer visits. We've got a wall tile here on the wet wall and a herringbone pattern. It's a subway tile that's glossy with a grout color that matches. It's a slightly bit lighter gray. We have a solid surface counter with an undermount sink. And then one other just nice design detail is the door frames, and doors are also painted to coordinate. A lot of times that's a detail that's sort of left out. And then the rest of the walls have wall covering, and then this is the wet wall behind the toilet area. In the women's room, we also have the herringbone pattern on the wet wall. This is a lighter blue with a contrasting grout. You can see the grout's a darker color. We've got wall covering for durability here, and then we've got the porcelain floor tile again with the wood look and kind of the hand scraped look. Same countertop but with two sinks that are undermount, and you'll also see the herringbone tile here, and then you can see the feature wall covering outside the door. The ice cream shop is also really coming along. They've got the wall tile installed, very cleanable and a nice accent. It's two tiles. It is a light blue subway tile and then a glass tile that's got a wave pattern. It's finished off with a Schluter edge, so that's a nice edge treatment detail. The equipment is starting to arrive, so we're a few weeks away from opening. Again, you'll see the nice view down the harbor and the light fixtures that are being installed. Next time we do a video, there will be menu board signage in this area that we just got done designing. And then lastly for today, this is a neat feature. We kind of changed up the installation of the wood look porcelain in the lobby to kind of have a herringbone and inset look. And this is right in the area in front of the walk-up counter, which also has the corrugated galvanized metal. And there'll be a really nice sign next time we come for the CL Pizza Company. It's a 36-inch round with a galvanized background and a logo. And then there'll also be a storage unit that we're designing here that will have some whiteboard and also galvanized and wood. On the outside of the building, you can see the parking lot is getting paved today, and a little more work on the exterior. And then coming around, the landscaping will be starting soon, and then again the harbor area. So we're very excited to see this come together. We're weeks away from completion.